I'm Michael Dominic Villaros and I'm supervisor trainee. Mostly siguro sa mga software or hardware components or equipment. Like kasi before I'm IT support which is JT pa. And then right now, big changes kasi as of now. Mayroong impact pa rin like sa mga equipments na ginagamit namin which is mostly nakakatulong pa rin siya. Kasi before may mga support pa ako na kailangan ng supervisor namin. Right now, as a solid proficient pa rin siya as nagagamit ko po right now. Based nung nasa OJT ako, which is nakakita ko sa mga other employees like how they're eager to help the other members po. Like which is the big impact for me kasi as of right now, in my position which is kailangan mas maayos pa or mas dedicated kami tulungan yung mga members. Ini-include kami or parang di kami left behind ng mga supervisor na which is sinasama na kami and to fully understand each other. I really love how they entertain or like how they give eager to help the other members which is like it gives me a big impact to like I want to be here to include as the part of this team or this company to like to help the members. How the vision and mission works in our company motivates me like to know how important to help others like even in other circumstances which can give us how big impact as a person or as a and for the others also like that. Enjoyed this opportunity because as an intern before you will have fun and you will learn a lot of more things here like even sa before not knowledgeable in other stuff like some which is sa IT stuff. Intern opportunities give me more opportunity like to learn more about this stuff. As of right now, you must enjoy every little bit of your time here and just don't pressure yourself. Bawat isa mahalaga.